As you see, Muslims from different sects attack one another and call each other mushrikeen. Yet what they all don't realize is that they speak to a dead man, their Prophet Muhammad, while praying their 5 daily prayers. Here is the part which Muslims recite during prayer. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So Muslims say, peace be upon you, O Prophet. They talk directly to Muhammad while praying. Isn't it shirk to talk to a dead man? Muslims dare to say we don't worship Muhammad, yet they pray and talk to him directly in a state of worship. Dua is worship. So when you talk to him during prayer, you worship Muhammad. Muslims dare to attack one another for shirk, yet in the end, all of them worship their dead man God, Muhammad.
Oh, so talking to the dead is shirk. Why? Because there is a sect in the Muslim Ummah who accuse people that if you talk to the dead, you become mushrik. That is very small sect, okay? Let me educate you what Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. He said that Yadullahi ma'al jama'at. As Arab Christian, you know what I'm talking about. That Allah's hand with the jama'at, with the majority. And in another hadith, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that follow the majority, the one who's separated from them will be separate to the hellfire. What does really matter is the jama'at. And now let me educate you on talking to the dead with the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Imam Bukhari has mentioned this hadith in his Sahih that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam talked to the pagans who were killed in the battle of Badr, and he said that, have you found true what your Lord promised you? So someone said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are addressing to the dead. And he said, you do not hear better than they. So if talking to the dead is shirk, so Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was promoting shirk in front of his companions? Really? Nah. And as far as Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabi is concerned, there's a hadith in Musnad al-Bizar, and lots of muhaddithin has mentioned this hadith in their book with the Sahih chain, that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hayati khayrul lakum, wafati khayrul lakum. My life is better for you and my death is also better for you because your deeds will be presented to me. So our deeds, our salam is presented to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So yeah, our salams and duroods are presented to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As he said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden the earth to consume the bodies of the prophets. Subhanallah azza wa jal. So you are Arab, so you think that you can justify your belief system in front of Islam? You can't. I know you guys are like, if you can't erase your own stains, start putting stains on others. You thought that we are doing shirk and Muslims are not doing shirk. Okay, let me accuse Muslims that you are doing shirk without even realizing. Oh, really?